Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making Docs speak. Open the document and enable accessibility in Tools now. Once done, install or enable a screen reader for your platform, Chrome Vox on Chrome, VoiceOver on Mac OS, or NVDA on Windows. You do this because Docs exposes text to those tools. Without one, nothing will speak. Make sure the screen reader is running and has microphone or audio output set correctly. After enabling, reload the document so accessibility hooks initialize and the reader can detect document structure. Now control what speaks. Select the paragraph or click where you want narration to begin. Then use the reader's command, for example, Chrome Vox press search +S, VoiceOver use VO + to start speaking the entire document, or NVDA press NVDA +S to speak selection. Adjust voice and speed inside the screen readers, setting so pacing matches your needs. If you need continuous reading, use the reader's Read from Current Position command. Otherwise, trigger read selection for short passages you want heard quickly. Finish by using the reader's Stop or Pause command when you're done. That prevents accidental continuous reading. If nothing plays, first check system audio and that the screen reader has permission to run. Sometimes Mac OS or Windows blocks it. Make sure Docs was reloaded after enabling accessibility. If speech still fails, restart the screen reader or browser. Permissions often reset. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm the reader can speak other apps if it cannot. The problem is system-wide, not Docs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.